Hi, this is Nkechi from The Vent. I would like to welcome you to The Vent Craft if you're just joining me for the first time. I make it a point of duty in this channel to show you how to make lovely, unique fascinator designs, as well as tips and tricks in your millinery journey. And I crown it up with some catalogs on new designs I create to increase your creative ability. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this lovely hot wire satellite fascinator. Yeah, can't you see? It looks so beautiful. Now this was inspired due to a question asked by Odiele Lydia, who says I should teach how to make wire and crown fascinator. And also we have Amala Obi, who says I should teach how to glue it instead of sewing the crown to the base. So before we proceed, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and click the bell button so you are notified of all my upcoming trainings. And if you're already a subscriber, I do want to say thank you for returning back. Now let's dive into today's training. So you'll be needing your needle with a matching thread to your emerald cap. Now this is called a small emerald cap. See how it is? Lovely. Okay, it's ready made, by the way. Then you'll be needing your scissors. Okay, I don't think I need that. You'll be needing your uhu gum, then your elastic band, your pegs, veil. Then there's a petal rose that I made. Now, if you join the Event Craft Academy, this is going to be in our brush class 3. Then our hot wire. Now this is 36 inches. Then bias and cutter and your measurement tape. Then the bronze hot wire. Now the other one is silver. Now this is bronze, which is more flexible than the one. Then this is more petals that I have. I've soaked it in top bond to make it thicker. Okay, so I believe we're set to move on. Okay, the measurement of our veil is 18 inches by 27 inches, but you can use less. As you can see, we have some excess on both ends of the hot wire. So the next stage is to put your uhu gum all around the hot wire on top. And after you're done with that, you would leave it to dry for a while. Not to dry fully, but to dry a bit. Don't forget to stay to the very end of this video, as I would be giving you a hint on how to probably be the next winner to attend for free a class of mine. Okay, so it's dry a bit now, so I'm going to be using a bit. I didn't say dry it fully, if not it won't glue. So I'm using my pegs now. I'll do the 4 cardinal points like I've just done, then take pegs and fix on the other side so that it will glue. You can see the way I'm dragging it. That's because I want the veil to be straight. I want the hot wire and the veil to be straight, as in to have a straight brim, not curved, just straight. So that's how you go about it. Gaining value from this video right now, do give me a thumbs up. Click that thumbs up button and say you're gaining value. Thank you. Okay, so the next step is to take off our pegs, and now we're going to be cutting the veil very close to the rim. Very close, but be careful not to cut it out. So that's it. And I think we're set to go to the next phase. Okay, so as you can see, our next phase is to put our bias on the rim using our uhu gum. I'm cleaning off some excess so it doesn't stain. Now, Amala Obi, here comes the answer to your question. So I'm going to turn the emerald cap upside down, and I'll put glue at the edges inside, not on top, but inside the emerald cap. That's what I'll do first of all. Then the next step is to put my hot wire that I've covered with the veil. I'll put it on top of it like so. and I'm going to be making use of my pegs to hold it down. After I'm done, I would leave it to sit for a while so that the glue would glue it perfectly down. Okay, now if you notice it's getting too tight, as in the pegs jumping out, you need to take your scissors and cut it a bit inside like I just did. Okay, my dearest subscribers, just like Amala and Lydia, you could let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see me make within or outside fascinators, as I have avenues to showcase all. Thank you. Okay, it's time to take off the pegs. Yeah, so that's it, and I'm cut inside like so. Okay, the next step is to take your elastic band, you cut it into two and you sew it on the two edges, taking note how you want the cap to appear on the head. Remember, when you're bringing it from the top of the hat, take it close to the thread you just brought out so that it's not visible to the eyes, in case you don't have a design that you're going to use to cover that. Alright, so keep watching and learning. Okay, our next phase is to attach, is to glue rather, the bias to cover the joining of the net to the emirate cap. Keep watching and learning. So I'm going to be putting the bias all the way around. Okay dears, I'm going to take a break from this video, and in part 2, which is the next video I'll be putting up, I would be showing you how to make the flower stems you can see standing on the emirate cap. See there? And how to attach and do the finishing touches on this unique fascinator. You don't want to miss it, because embedded in it is also another challenge to win to attend for free one of the Vent Craft academic class. Thanks for watching.